So we're now talking about levels of measurement. And there are 4 levels of measurement. We have nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. And they basically grow in levels of complexity. And let me just say, nominal is qualitative only. Ordinal can be qualitative and quantitative, depending on how it gets used. Interval is quantitative and ratio is quantitative. Nominal, a quick way to think about it, is in name only. It's just descriptions. Again, red car, blue eyes, that kind of thing. And there's no mathematical operations that apply. No operations apply. You can't add, you can't subtract, that kind of thing. Ordinal. There's some kind of rank that can occur. Now sometimes the rank can be based on a count, or it can be based on some kind of established setup like letter grades. A is greater than B, B is greater than C, that kind of idea. The only operation you're really performing that's mathematical is ordering the numbers. Interval, 0 is not mathematical. You can add and subtract and it makes sense, but multiply and divide, not so good. Quick examples, a golf score or a temperature. 0 degrees outside is still 0 degrees. It's a temperature. It's very cold. A golf score, if you score 0 in golf, it means you shot par. So the 0 is not mathematical, which means mathematical 0 is the absence of something. Like I have $0 in my wallet. I have the absence of money in my wallet. Okay. Ratio data. You can add, subtract, multiply, divide. They all work. The 0 is mathematical. Money in my wallet. Okay. When I have money in my wallet, I've got $10 or $5, or I can have $0, which is the absence of money in my wallet. I can also have negative dollars. I can owe people money. Now I'm going to make this little comment here. You can have negative dollars in ratio data. And there's this comment that I found in Chegg. Sorry, folks. This comment that I found in Chegg that says ratio data can't be negative. Ratio data can be negative. Chegg is incorrect on that. Now, let me talk a little bit more about these two. And we're going to talk about the idea of how you can tell a little bit more between interval and ratio. And I'm going to talk about temperature, and I'm going to talk about money. So, suppose today is 2 degrees. Well, how are you going to dress? You're going to dress heavy with lots of clothes on, so you're not freezing when you go outside. We're going to double that. We're going to change it to 4 degrees. Still going to dress the same way. Now, let's talk about money in the wallet. If I have $2 today, and then I have $4 tomorrow, I can buy twice as much stuff. Okay? Now, let's go back to temperature again. And let's talk about 50 degrees and 100 degrees. See, I doubled the first time. I went 2 to 4. I'm going to go 50 to 100. So at 50 degrees, I'm in a sweatshirt and probably shorts. I run warm. If I'm at 100 degrees, I'm in a tank top, shorts, and slides. I am trying to avoid the heat. Okay? Now, that is not consistent behavior. 2 to 4, nothing changed. 50 to 100, lots changed. Now talk about money in wallets. $2 to $4, I can buy twice as much stuff. $50 to $100, I can buy twice as much stuff. And so ratio, those proportions are consistent. The ratio is consistent. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. I will talk with you later.